Oh, what the hell? Good morning. And okay.
Yeah.
It's my debut. Okay, so
You're going in?
I didn't know anything about a drill bit, so you need a drill bit to make it easier to just hold it steady. Make sure that you have these little knobs here. If you can see, one is to loosen it, one is to drill. So you got to make sure you're in the right one. Nice and slow. So you come in and then you loosen to come out. This helps to when you going to drill your nails into the wall. It makes it a lot easier than just trying to put the nail in by itself. And you click it to bring it out. Nice clean hole. Thank you, Madeline, for teaching me that lesson. So you clip it, snap it to one side. Make sure you measure well so you can get your studs and you can get your nails in the correct place where there's a stud. If you don't know what a stud is, you'll learn like I did. Is a piece of wood that's embedded in the wall that's holding the house up. They call it a stud.
And that's the last hole.
Like
And
that.
this is the last cabinet. Oh,
Yeah.
we have two more.
Make sure when you make your measurements that the bottom of you don't get the top of the
Cabinet.
cabinet. Nice and neat. And this is a drilling lesson, especially for those women or individuals that don't know how to do this. Drill bit. Thank you.